everyone, good morning.
Driving Miss Daisy today.
Who's Daisy?
It's from a movie, Driving Miss Daisy. But that's not a daisy. What kind of flower is that?
Lily.
Lily?
Lily.
Lily? I don't think it is a lily. Driving Miss Lily? Driving Miss Jhaja?
I will name my daughter Aphrodite.
Oh no.
So basta yun at the back.
No, I didn't see that.
Go right.
Okay.
Owned by the, random people, like normal owners. They're not rich, but
Like they probably had the land in the family for many years and
they just
then
make
built
it
a
as
little
small
resort.
Yeah.
Style, design. We're gonna ask this guy a kind of a funny question. Might be a bit surprised. I'll give you a hint.
You're such a cutie.
That's a boy though.
You're a male? Huh? Don't be scared. Look at his face.
I think Jhaja prefers goats than dogs.
Don't be scared. Mama. Sa inyo to, kuya? Oo. Nagbibenta kayo ng pagping?
Ipalit lang po ay binili namin yan.
They just bought it as well.
Oh, they just bought it.
Magkano yung price nila dito?
Buwan, dipindi
Ang
sa bibi mga siguro 1.5 or
1.5.
Yeah.
What
Same as in Dumaguete, 1.5, so about $27. Yeah, this guy got tangled up pretty good, didn't you? Huh? Goofing around, acting silly, huh?
Ang malaki.
mga ganyan ay ganito din mga 3,000 ito.
Ang lalaki, ang babae.
Parehas lang dipindi sa ay nagano po yung ganding. Bibili sana kayo? Kung binili lang to sa ano ko sa
Saan mo siya binili, kuya?
wala lang yung mga customer na ano parang nag-compare mo na ito bago na ito binito isa Esperanza ilan sila bilhin nyo? Ilan sila sana bilhin nyo? Dalawa? Parang saan? Hindi?
Hindi.
Alagaan? Sa ano na lang? Sa
Saan mo marami dito?
sa Viva Esperanza marami dun o sa ano ba yung lugar namin diba ano boundary natin Buging Kanto o ako pala yung dalawang isnita na namin pasok dito unahan lang ito dun sa may total na
Doon sa may...
oo dyan oo marami
By the gasoline station, there's they sell goats. I hope we can find. Okay, thank you, Maya. Okay, bye-bye.
Sige sa akin eh
Sige, Carmen.
Carmen? Carmen Buhol?
Hi! I'm gonna name you Cookies and Cream. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yeah, you're my favorite. My favorite ice cream.
So if you like fishing and swimming, here you go. Snorkeling as well. Dry. Cool cathedral there, by the way. Yeah, I get maybe three of them. And for those of you who don't know, liempo is basically bacon on crack. So when you hear us say bacon on crack, this is what we're talking about.
It's okay, baby, later.
You can forget all about bacon. Sorry, guys. This will destroy your bacon.
Later pa.
Oh my goodness. So good. Here, babe, try this one. Put your bacon away, guys. No chance. She just eats what she wants when she wants. Yum yum. It's like a king's feast in here. This one is amazing.
How's that even legal?
Isn't it amazing?
Making me fat.
So we know we can find a Kubo in Panglao for 75,000. We could probably bump the price down to maybe 70, or last couple years ago it was 65,000. So of course you're gonna have some inflation. I don't think you'd get it for much less than 670. So basically, what, 1300 US dollars, I would guess, something like that. So our goal is to find someone more local to the north of the island, but we haven't seen any actual Kubo construction. So here's where they do a lot with bamboo, quite obviously. That one's bent for the boats. We're asking if somebody here, if they know someone who makes Kubos. It'd be much better to have someone local do it, because the Panglao includes transport by truck. So at 60, at 70,000 pesos includes transport. My guess is the transport alone is probably 10K of the 75,000.
Yun dito tayo wala.
Diri, naagyapon diri. Pero layo siya. Layo mo na tawagan mo na po.
Meron na
Hello nan. Kana dito mo katungi mo sa bamboo house ba? Bamboo house nang ba? Kumunin mo bamboo house kay day nangita ang Amerikano. Bamboo house ba?
Bamboo house Americano.
Bamboo house ba? Niya nang anak siya o pila kuno niya asa ko dapit usus ka mo tan-aw. Asa nang to gani. Kung takunon pa siya, kun nimo tawagan ka na mo. Ni pamuntang na ko na mo. Facebook nimo para amo It's nice bamboo house because it's very hot. Asa iputang?
on Facebook or call me and I ask for the photos.
are quite a few. Popular vehicle. So that lady knows someone or a few people who make Kubo houses, bamboo houses.
Yeah.
Can you clarify that?
She asked for my contact number and Facebook account, so they can. When she met the person who owns the shop, they can just contact me and send me samples of what they did and the prices, and also we can view the site.
Great. So it's one. She knows one person or more than one who makes them. Only one for now. Or?
She knows. I think she knows one for now.
Okay. We'll start with that,
Because she's confident that they are making
Good.
Kubo house.
Nice. Stop dreaming the dream and start living the dream. Where does that ferry go? Leyte? Well, if that's Leyte, then that would be the ferry we came in on. Well, it's not Leyte
We
then.
didn't go to Leyte before.
No, but when
Different one.
we came from Leyte.
Bato.
Great job.